bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, viewers. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin kan, bàbá olóyin original. I am staying at Yesi Ota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesi Ota. Today, I want to tell you, you can use 1 glass cup of water to receive mercy from people, to receive favor, to win court case, to defeat your enemies, either they are nearby or they are in far distance. If they have power to destroy your soap, they have power to destroy your perfume, they don't have power to destroy water. I taught you before on Baba Oloyin Original. I have more than 65,000 views that watch that program. Many people are reloading it. They are reloading it. They are reloading. They are reloading. Nothing in their brain. Just to reloading other people's program. Cup of water, how you can use it? I will still tell you. And I will put additional information what you hear on Baba Oloyin before. More than 65,000 people have watched it. Yes. Because some people are copy cards. Nothing in their brain. When I tell you about water, I will give you the real key for it. Yes, you better get incantation for water. I will tell you. Get seated. Don't forget I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power. This is the latest book in the town. People are buying these books. Even before this book was released to the market on December 20, I released it online on December 15. If you see the way people were sending money for me, they were launching the book for so amount. This is African Power Part 1. African Power Part 1. This is honey as a medicine. Honey as a medicine. This is solution to human problems. This is healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. You are having female, you want a boy. No, this is for this platform. You are having female, you want a male child. This is the book for you. You are having male, you want a female. This is the book for you. This one is for staphylococcus. You have staphylococcus. Staphylococcus. If you have staphylococcus, you will have low sperm count or knee. The solution is here. Don't forget, this is the latest book, African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. It was released online on December 15. The way people appreciated and were sending money to me, I was surprised. I will not stop thanking you people. Many people appreciate us, but there are some people, they are ready to cheat. Ready to cheat on me. They will just call you. I need original honey. I need original. You know, I don't display honey today. I don't. Some people are looking for only original honey. What of original books? They don't want original books. You have taught us many things on internet. We just need original honey to practice it. I've stopped that. Even I want my agents in the town. Those who said they don't see books to say, they only need honey. I don't need book. Oh. Only honey you should supply us. I said, I'm not going to supply you only honey. I'm not. If you go to a book canteen, a food canteen, you have to eat only meat. You don't want to eat eba and fufu. You want to eat only a buffet. The food seller will not save for you. My books are available at Baba Oloyin Original Bus Stop. Baba Oloyin Bus Stop, Yesi Ota. You want to buy the books and honey? I'm not saying only honey again. Honey is very scarce. We go to bush in the night to harvest honey. Those who go to farm in the afternoon, you know what happened to them? Who will risk his life to go to bush in the night? That's why honey is very, original honey is very scarce now. The little case I have, I reserve the case for my customer who has bought my books or who are ready to buy my books. Not only who need to, only original need to practice what I've taught them free of charge. Free of charge on internet. You can go to Mushin to buy my books and money. Number 4, Alukodaro Street. Number 4, Alukodaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin. You can go to Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. If you go to Ikotu Egbe, go to Sele bus stop Egbe. Sele bus stop Egbe. Take Okada or Maruwa to Agodo Market. House of number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Yamupo is there. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. They are selling books. I know how many copies they have sold there. Igbo boys that you are coming from last Ojo to buy my books. Mo gbé for you. I drop my card for you. From Yanamba. We are coming to buy your books. So they usually come there. How many copies they have sold? How many copies Mushin has sold? I know how many copies Bariga has sold. Top less of Yesiota. They come every day. If I reach office, they used to wait for me. People in my area, they used to surprise. Even Yesi people. How many people come to buy the books? Only few people. But people from outside, they will park car. I was coming from office to my house yesterday. Somebody stopped me. Many people are calling us. Where's Baba Oloyin office? Where's Baba Oloyin office? We reached there. We didn't see him. We want to go to house. Thank you very much. Those who are describing my house and office to them, I thank you. But my office is where I attend to people. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. So back to this one. If you wake up early in the morning, just take gas cup of water. I advise you to always take 1 bottle of water near your bed in the night. 1 bottle of water. Either pure water, bottled water, the one from your kitchen, the one in your house, or the bottled water of water you bought outside. But make sure you have filter around, so that when you wake up, you will not talk to people before you do this thing. It's very necessary. It's work effectively when you never talk to people. Damn, when you have spoken to people. When you have spoken to people, it will work. But it will not work as when you never talk to people. You will hold water like this. You can pour some on the ground. Then you stand on it. You put it on the ground. But if you have rug in your room, you don't want to put it on the ground, no problem. Hold the water like this, just a cup of water. This is water. Water has no enemy. Nobody can do without water in a day. If you don't use it to drink, you use it in your toilet. Even when you are fasting, you want to go to the toilet, you will need water. When you eat, you don't eat, you need water. You want to wash your clothes, or somebody want to wash clothes for you, they will need water for you. Nobody can do water. Fela Anikulapo Kuti of blessed memory. He said, water, oh, water. Omi o lota o, omi o. Omi o, omi. Water no get enemy. Since water don't get enemy, I suppose not to get enemy. Anybody that is, this is what we say, because your bank atesa say, omi labu we. Enike bomi shota. Gbogbo ẹni ọba jí tó ń fomi fọṣọ, gbogbo ẹni ọba jí tó ń fomi wẹ̀, gbogbo ẹni ọba jí tó ń mu mi, gbogbo ẹni ọba jí tó ń tẹ omi mọ́lẹ̀, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ bínú mi, ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi. Yes, the English translation. Water has no enemy. Water has no enemy. Nobody can do without water. Anybody that cannot do without water should not eat me. Yes, anywhere I go today, people should appreciate me. They should like me and appreciate me. Yes, you drink the water. Nobody will fight you that day. Nobody will fight you the second day. Nobody will fight you the third. But when you are drinking it every morning, is good. And according to doctor, they say it's always good to drink a cup of water early in the morning. Then you are drinking it with prayers. Yes. Whatever the type of problem you have, when you are drinking water, a cup of water every day, according to scientists, they say it's very good for body. It's good for human consumption every morning. Try it, and it will work for you. Try it, it will work for you. Don't forget, you can get all these books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmails. You can get them on email, WhatsApp, or emails. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. You can get the books there. You want the original honey there. Once you are ready to buy with honey, we said honey for you as well. The program you are watching today is Kenny Show Television, and the phone number is on the screen: 0810-84-31336. Listen again: 0810-84-31336. But WhatsApp message only. WhatsApp message only. And don't forget to watch my other channel. My other channels: Baba Oloyin Original Television, Baba Oloyin Original Television. You will see the phone number for that channel there. And my son channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy Adeusi. This I should thank you people. If I say Baba Oloyin, that's my last born, give him small amount. Give him small amount. We like him. He's available now. The holiday is still going on. So thank you very much. This I should thank you people. Even early this morning, somebody pay to my account, say he want to send something to Mr. Lasbon, and Mr. Lasbon show his account number that people should send money to, and he said he will follow the instruction of Mr. Lasbon, and Mr. Lasbon is around now laughing at me. The master, we follow Mr. Lasbon. Mr. Lasbon, so if anybody want to give him money, they should pay directly to his account, and the account is intact. So I'm not cheating him. He's not cheating me. You know our comedy last time. If you watch Mr. Lasbon comedy, you know it was very funny. So this book, those people copycat, stay clear of this book. Unless you want to spend the money on sickness. And what you did for me on this book, enough is enough. I will not tolerate again. Almost what you put here, some people even put this one in one book shop, international book shop. I know the person will not spend the money. I won't say more than that. Because I cannot be labor, and I will be I'm walking like elephant and eating like ants. Enough is enough. Don't copy this book again. You will see some of them, they will load 3 videos a day. If you watch them, you will see they don't load again. They are stealing my work. They bought all my books. They are posting, changing the titles. I want them. And if anybody refuses to listen, you get families, you get friends among them. Want them. So that you will not help them to cure sicknesses. Because they will sick. If they tamper with this work again, I sanimo for one wo. Tamper to jiwe me. If they tamper with this work again, they will use the money on sicknesses. Enough is enough. I've been suffering. Some of them will display their account on the internet and nothing in their brain. They are stealing my work. Enough is enough. Till next time when you watch me again, remain blessed.